As the COVID-19 pandemic shook the world into isolation, the population reverted their attention to farming and agriculture for food security and daily sustenance. The vision is founded on the development of key strategies that will accelerate transformation towards a modern and industrialized Philippine agriculture through an inclusive approach, that is, DA and its agencies converging their resources into one to achieve agricultural prosperity and food security. However, despite DA's efforts, the threat of hunger and limited agricultural opportunities continue to loom and aggravate the COVID-19 cases in Eastern Visayas. Our actions are our future. Every action we make will make endless ripples in the fight for food security. Let us make food security our responsibility. Make farming a way of life. Let us grow our own food, because why not? We have the hands and drive to do so. Let us help feed the nation in our little efforts.
Well, as they say, the new normal is a journey back to the countryside. Simple, plain, and sustainable. This time, as we rely heavily on agriculture for our daily needs, it is indeed timely to further strengthen and boost the agriculture sector. The Department of Agriculture introduced various policies and framework to upscale agricultural production and empower farmers and fisherfolk. At the core of this framework are four key strategies: consolidation, modernization, industrialization, and professionalization, which are envisioned to elevate the DA's programs and policies towards the realization of its vision: a food secure and resilient Philippines with empowered and prosperous farmers and fisherfolk. Let us all be responsible in our consumption and food shares. Let us gather in solidarity to help all populations, and especially the most vulnerable, to recover from the unprecedented crisis, and to make food systems more resilient and robust so that they can withstand increasing volatility and climate shocks and deliver affordable and sustainable healthy food for all.
As we honor the hands that feed us by thanking our farmers and fisher folks every day, let every day become a chance to cultivate the farmer within us. I am Meryl Blauta.
As we enjoy our privileges, let us think of those with less. May our actions give them justice and promote food availability for all. I am Gerard Palo. Tika nga siniraang Visayas, mapaso nga pangamusta, tika nga Department of Agriculture, Regional Field Office 8.
Hi! Flex lang namin tong kasalukuyang nangyayari sa ating bansa.
We should never stop telling our own stories. Dahil sa pamamagitan nito, they might become stories of inspiration, hope, and resolution for others.
Sa gitna ng trahedyang ito, mapalad pa rin tayo at merong isang sektor sa ating lipunan na pilit tumatayo at kumikilos upang di mawalan ng pagkain ang ating inang bansa. At ito ay walang iba kundi ang pagsasaka at pangingisda.
Pobre, kabus, burdol. Ito ang pangunahing tawag sa kanila. Pagtatanim ng sari-saring gulay, palay, mais, saging at kamoting kahoy, yan ang tanging paraan upang malabanan nila ang mga pagsubok na hatid ng pandemya.
Tayong nasa agrikultura katulad ng mga health workers ay tinaguriang ding frontliners dahil ang sapat na pagkain ay siyang pinaka-importanteng sandata upang burahin ang labis na kahirapan sa kanayunan at iwasan ang kakulangan ng pagkain sa mga malalaking syudad o lungsod.
Oo, ako, ikaw, tayong lahat. Araw-araw ay nangangailangan ng tulong galing sa ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Anuman ang estado mo sa buhay, tayong lahat ay lubos na dumidepende sa ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda.
Huwag po sana nating maliitin ang buhay nila dahil ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi nasusukat sa pagkakaroon ng titulo sa pangalan. Bagkos, ito'y makakamtan lamang kung tayong nasa posisyon ay taus-pusong maglilingkod at patuloy na magiging gabay sa kanilang buhay.
Sa patuloy na daloy at agos ng buhay at panahon, magkaisa tayong harapin ang bagong umaga, bagong simula bilang mga kawani ng kagawaran ng pagsasaka. May magagawa tayo para sa ating mga magsasaka at mangingisda.
Don't mind how much we gave, but the compassion that goes with it. There may be joys, pains, anxieties, miseries, frustrations, and hope. But at the end of the day, we know we have done our best to sustain, reboot, and grow the Philippine agri-fishery sector. Masaganang ani at mataas na kita. Ating kamtin para sa ikauunlad ng ating mga bayani sa kanayunan. Ang kwento nila ay kwento nating lahat.